market is live. The New York Stock Exchange has been open for about 45 minutes on Friday, December 19th. Today we have a trend day, pretty obvious trend day. Here is a screenshot of, or a live picture of the 15-minute chart. You see this huge 15-minute candle telling you that the bulls are very strong today, and it's a trend day. Trend days happen about 20% of the time, so we take advantage of them when they come, as it's the easiest to trade because there's continuation in one direction. The good thing about a trend day, well, I don't know the right word to use. The signs of a trend day specifically are higher highs and higher lows, and trend days respect the support and resistance levels, so you'll have no deep pullbacks. On a very clean trend day, you could see first leg up, you only have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 8 minutes of pullback, and then off to the second leg. You have a pullback, but again, it's not a deep pullback. And then you have the third leg that's gone up. And now we're building liquidity to see if we break a very important level, 680 on SPY. The S&P 500 is already up 0.75%, and just wanted to make a quick video on trend days. What you do not want to do on a trend day is you never want to call the reversal, because price can continue trending up. There's obviously strong buyers today, and there's no signs of any sellers. You don't see any strong selling algorithms. Everything is to the upside. So on a trend day, you only are trading one direction, and you're waiting for a pullback. Unfortunately, on a trend day, the pullbacks are not very deep. The good thing about a trend day is the legs are longer, so you'll be able to size up as the continuation is obvious. So we'll see the rest of the day. There's still 6 hours left in the trading day. If the bears step in, and if anybody was considering going short, we're taught to wait for the magenta algorithm to break. So the bears will not show up until they could breach this magenta algorithm here. All of this is bearish. All of this is bulls. Bulls are in control. There's no signs of any sellers. So why would you try to call the reversal just because you think price is already high enough, it cannot go any higher? That's not the right way to think. We're riding the coattails of the big boys. The big boys today have told us very clearly we're going up. So stay tuned. We'll see for the rest of the day what it holds. It's a Friday, so very proficient traders on Fridays will take 1 or 2 trades in the morning session and get out. There's no need to continue trading for the rest of the day. If you haven't met your goals and your targets by Friday, then you're better off studying and reviewing and preparing for next week.